If you want to add a Zoom link in Calendly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to connect Zoom to Calendly and make sure your meetings automatically generate a Zoom link for every booking. This is one of the easiest ways to make your scheduling setup look more professional and save time. Because once it's connected, you won't need to manually create meeting links over and over again. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when new step-by-step guides are uploaded. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar. You'll want to click on Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly keeps all of its connection options, including tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and other calendar or meeting integrations. Now, in the integrations area, find Zoom. You may see it in the list right away, or you may need to search for it depending on how your account is laid out. Once you see Zoom, click Connect. This starts the process of linking your Zoom account with Calendly. After you click Connect, Calendly will ask you to sign into your Zoom account. Enter the Zoom login details for the account you want to use for your scheduled meetings. Make sure this is the correct Zoom account, especially if you have multiple accounts or use a work account for meetings. Once you're signed in, you'll see an authorization screen. This is where Zoom asks you to allow Calendly access. Click Authorize to give Calendly permission to create Zoom meeting links on your behalf. Without this step, Calendly won't be able to generate the meeting details automatically. After authorization is complete, the Zoom integration should now be connected to your Calendly account. But we're not done yet, because you still need to assign Zoom as the location for the event type you want to use. Next, go to Event Types in Calendly. This section shows all of the event types you've created, like one-on-one meetings, round robins, or group events. Select the event you want to edit. If you only want Zoom links for one specific meeting type, make sure you open that exact event type. Inside the event settings, scroll until you find the location section. This tells Calendly how the meeting will be held. Click Edit next to Location, and then choose Zoom Meeting as the location option. This tells Calendly that when someone books this event, a Zoom meeting should be created automatically. Once you've selected Zoom meeting, click Save and Close. After that, make sure you save the event type itself so the changes actually apply. If you skip the final save, the Zoom location may not be stored properly, and that's it. Your Calendly event is now set up to use Zoom. The next time someone books that event, Calendly will automatically generate a Zoom link and include it in the meeting details, which makes the whole scheduling process much smoother. If you ever want to change it later, you can go back into the same event type, open the location settings, and switch to a different option if needed. But if Zoom is your main meeting platform, this setup will save you a lot of time and keep everything organized. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.